Tone your glutes with this 5-minute bar workout, designed to firm and lift your rear end in only 5 minutes, 5 days a week. Ready? Let's start.
So we'll begin on your back, taking your heels lined up with your sits bones and taking your weights down by your side. If you choose to do this exercise without your weights, you can keep the arms down by your side. And if at any point you decide the weights are too much, you can always set them down. We're going to begin by first pressing the arms into the floor. Take a big exhale, engage your abdominals. Now we're going to begin to tilt the pelvis, press through the heels as you peel the spine up just to the base of the shoulder blades. We're going to hold here, keeping that weight in your heels, and begin tiny little pulses here. Think about lifting an inch, lowering an inch, pulsing at the top, lifting the hips, engaging those glutes. Keep pulsing here. Don't forget to breathe. Try to keep the weight in the heels. 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it down. Grab your weights. Now extend the arms straight towards the ceiling, elbow creases facing in, and the palms facing in. We're going to hold here, extended from the chest, and exhale, curl it up. Now we're going to lower the hips as we open, and exhale, hug a tree. Lower and press. Lower and press. Stay here. Keep breathing through your movement. Exhaling up. Inhaling to lower. Make sure those weights are tracking over the chest. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep the hips lifted, lower those weights down. Take the hands to the floor, and now we're going to hitch that left hip. Little pulses. Lift an inch. Lower an inch. Keep that weight through the heels. 6, 7, 8, and 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Other side and hitch. Keep lifting just an inch. For 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alternate left, right, left, right, left, right. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come center, roll it back down. Now step those feet out a little bit wider, more mat distance. Stay parallel and curl it up, pressing those hips up to the ceiling. Begin your pulses here. Pulse, pulse, pulse. Tiny, tiny pulses. Lift an inch, lower an inch. Find that press out of the floor. Pulsing here. Check in with those abdominals. Think about drawing that belly button to the spine. Almost there. Should feel some burn happening by now. 8, 7, 6, almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Grab those weights, lift it up, and lower the hips. Lift for 1. Keep going. Hugging your tree. Keep the hands in line with the chest. Finish strong. Keep going. Pressing your weight through the heels, lifting those hips. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, hold up on 1, lower those weights, hands come back to the floor, finish here with those pulses. Pulse. Keep going, lift an inch, Lower an inch. Oh, find that happy place in your brain. These are getting kind of warm. Keep going. Keep breathing. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll it back down. Draw those knees up into the chest here. Take a little rock side to side. A couple of nice big breaths. And go ahead and draw yourself back up to a seated position. Nice work. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas, or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.